Morning, everyone. It's 8:30 on Monday morning, the 26th of September, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 1467. I'm going to keep this short because there's not a lot of news around, although the news that is around is pretty dramatic. Um, at 7:45, the Dow was down 165. At 8:15, it was down 200. It had been down 300 overnight. Right now, though, it's come back to down 126. Nasdaq 65 to 85 to 37, and the S&P 24 to 28 to now down 18. The chart on the screen is the only chart that matters today. It's the dollar. And the dollar has driven all of the world currencies down. Um, it's a chicken and egg thing, but the pound has made a new all-time low at 103.82. That's down 0.6%, and the numbers are just staggering. We have treasuries going in the same direction. Yet again, the 2-year note is up 10 basis points to 430. The 10-year is up 10 basis points to 379. That leaves a 10-2 spread, which is what everybody talks about, negative by 51 basis points. So my opinion is that we're already in a recession, and it's going to get worse. I can't imagine that the Fed has any chance whatsoever of any kind of a reasonable way out of this. They are absolutely making this a currency story, and it is ugly. Asian Pacific currencies continue to fall. The German September IFO business climate came in at 84.3. Expected was 87. Last was 88.6. So, we also have Italy up only minorly because of general election parties leaning towards the right-wing conservative. There's no real economic information coming out today, but I will show you that as far as we're concerned in the futures, we're pretty much down across the board. Down in the grains, down in oil, down in heating oil, gasoline, nat gas, all lower. The one that's holding up probably the best after being sharply lower is the gold. It's down 460 at 1651, but it was as low as 1633. Same situation with the silver. I think we're going to add to the AGQ today for a bounce here. The last is 1881. It was down as low as 1843. Copper down about a penny and a half. Not really overwhelming. The cattle and stuff is not open. The softs are coffee and sugar higher, all the rest, cotton, cocoa, lumber, OJ, all down. As I said, the S&P is coming back a bit right now with fair value. We are in the same area I mentioned. Dollar. 114.45 is the high. Last 113.35. So it's $1 off the high, but I wrote about this week. I'm just beginning to hear people talking about it on CNBC. I'm just an average guy. These people get paid to give you the information. What the hell are they waiting for? And the bonds, again, as I said, the yield on the 2s and the 10s were higher. 30-year is down 22/32. That's about 3/4 of a point. 10-year down about a half a point, and the 2-year minorly lower. Also, a new name, Lava Therapeutics, LVTX, has a cancer treatment that they are now getting exclusive worldwide rights to market. That includes a $50 million pay for them for the license. The stock is 531 up 291. It's hard for me to really find anything else to talk to you about that's on the upside. Dow now down 147 again. Nasdaq down 50 again, and excuse me, the S&P. Let's just wait for it to flash here. The S&P is now down 23. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It is a treacherous market. The Fed is definitely breaking something. It's breaking the rest of the world, and that is not a